Hello and welcome to the Food Alert channel. I would like to start this cooking episodes with the most light and the popular Indian sweet dish called carrot halwa, a very simple and a healthier version. The word halwa has Arabic origin and it literally means sweet food. This word has come to the Indian subcontinent due to the Persian influence a few centuries ago. Many sweet dishes made from fruits, vegetables, pulses and cereals are also called halwa. Now let's get back to our cooking. The ingredients for carrot halwa are carrots 400 grams, milk or coconut milk 200 milliliter, cane sugar 50 grams, ghee 2 to 3 teaspoons and coconut oil is for the vegan option, cashew nuts 15 to 20 pieces, raisins 15 to 20 grams and cardamom powder half teaspoon. First, wash the carrots, peel them and grate them. Keep a thick bottomed pan on the stove top and when it is hot, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee or coconut oil. To that, add the cashew nuts and fry it until golden color and take them out of the pan and keep it aside. And then fry the raisins until they have risen and keep them aside too. In the same pan, add the grated carrots, add the milk and mix well and cover the pan and let them cook for 5 to 7 minutes. After that, check if the carrots have cooked. Once they are cooked, add 50 grams of sugar, which is roughly 3 tablespoons. You can add and reduce the quantity of sugar depending on the sweetness of carrot and your taste. Mix everything very well. Add the cardamom powder and again mix everything well. And at this stage, if you'd like, you can add a teaspoon of ghee too. It enhances the taste of carrot halwa. Now mix everything well and let it cook without the lid for a few minutes until the milk is dried out. Now add the fried cashew nuts and the raisins and mix well. And our carrot halwa is ready to be served. It can be enjoyed warm or cold. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.